Hey, this is Steven with US Auto Spa. We have our client brought us in an Audi S6. We're going to be applying our long-term ceramic coating on his vehicle. Come with me, and we'll show you the process, the preparation work. So come on with me and I'll show you what we got going on. Welcome back. We just finished up the prep wash of this vehicle. First, we decontamination washed the whole vehicle, thoroughly cleaned the wheels. We used ferrous oxide remover to remove all the contaminants. And the last step we did was a clay bar. That clay bar with the lubricant spray, when you go over the surfaces, it picks up that dirt and gives you the cleanest surface. Our next step we're going to do, we're going to compound and polish the exterior of the paint, and then we'll use a prep spray. What that does, that gets rid of all the waxes, any type of oil. So hey, let's get going. The process we're doing now on this vehicle after we've done the prep wash is perfecting the paint. And what we're doing, we're working to get any type of small micro scratching, car wash scratching out of the paint so that when the ceramic coating goes on, actually it creates the best shine. The last step before the coating goes on is using a pre-ceramic spray. And what this is going to do is, it's going to make sure that there's no oils or waxes that are on the surface. If you do not do all the steps that are required before the ceramic coating goes on, your coating will fail and you will not get the maximum benefit out of it. And finally, the last step of the whole process, putting the ceramic coating on, or I like to refer to it as the sauce. We've gone through the whole process from the beginning of the preparation wash to perfecting the paint and then applying the ceramic coating. At US Auto Spa, we're a premium service out there. We give our best to every client. If you're in the market looking for ceramic coating, contact US Auto Spa, 770-380-3261. Look us up on the web at usautospa.com, and you can always check out our socials, Facebook or Instagram, US Auto Spa.